Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove the Crosshair Watermark for your Samsung Odyssey G5. And to do this we'll need to click on the joystick button on the bottom of our screen. Here open menu, and now let's select the game mode. Scroll down for virtual aim point, and now you can choose your preferred aim point that you want to add to your screen. You can also reset its position if you like. And now let's add this one. We can position it however we like and click on the joystick button to set it. You can see it right here, by the way. And if you want to disable it, then click on the joystick button again, go up to menu and find the game, scroll down for a virtual aim point, and now you can turn it off and it should be removed from your screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.